Hello guys, you are watching German Gan. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys today I'm here to tell you very important thing. Before that, if you are new on my channel, then guys this channel is about German language learning and so many different things which you want to know about Germany or German language. So guys do subscribe it and don't forget to click the bell icon. So guys in this video I will be letting you know the two main questions which are so demanding. So the first question is which you'll be knowing from expert that what is the detailed process of getting nurse job in Germany, how you can go if you are looking as a nurse. Second, very important, that what are the process for which you can apply for the visa. So in that there is one option, there is one point basically in which you have to make recognition your studies your in Germany universities. This video you will be getting to know that how exactly you can do it and you can go forward with that step. So guys stay tuned and watch this video till end. And guys German Gyan is offering huge discounts on A1, A2, B1 and the whole packages, especially A1 to B1 or A2 A1. So guys if you want to enroll then please do pick me in comment section, or if you have any video suggestion then please do comment in the comment section, or you can DM me on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, anywhere wherever you are available. So guys see you, stay tuned. So ma'am, I want to ask you one detailed video from you that how nurses can apply for the jobs.
Okay, there is one most important option for that. If you heard the term Ausbildung,
Okay.
that is a diploma course of nurse profile. Like, if I suggest students, if the students the eligibility conditions required only 12th passing certificate.
Okay.
Like 12th passing certificate with 60%, stream is whatever, चाहे art students, चाहे science students, and for management, economics, arts, any student with 60% and 12th passed out, all students are eligible for this program, that is Ausbildung in nursing program.
Okay.
This is a 3 years course that is equivalent according to BSc nursing, and it is eligible, it is valid in all over the world.
Okay.
Right. And in this course, from the beginning month, you can get the stipend around 1000 euros.
Okay, that's really nice.
Yes. But the requirement is 12th with 60% and German language B2 level.
Okay. Minimum
Right.
B2.
Sorry?
B2 is must.
Yes. B2 is must, and after B2 you can get the hospital contract for that program, and your 12th is with 60% any stream.
Okay.
Like, okay, after B2 level you can get a contract from two parts. One contract is from German government hospital, and one contract is from German language institute. That is in Germany, from any school institutes, from where you do your theoretical classes, and in the hospital you do your classes.
Okay.
Right. So it's a 5-day program. In which 2 days is a theoretical and 3 days is a practical under senior doctor or senior nurse.
Okay.
Like,
because practical knowledge is must.
Exactly. And with this, that is kind of internship. For that you can get a stipend of 1000 euros monthly.
Okay.
And there is one more option, the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, you are eligible to do any part-time job also to refill your account. For that there is no need of block account.
Okay. This is nice.
Yes. Yeah, from the beginning you get the stipend, or what the salary we call, that is 1000 euros. In Indian currency it's approx 90, if we say some taxes are cut, 85 in your pocket, right? 85,000 in your pocket. So after the 3 years diploma course, that is a vocational training, that is the Ausbildung in nursing, after the 3 years of this program, you are eligible to do a full-time 2 years work in hospital. After that, that is a combination of 5 years, 3 years in diploma and 3 years in full-time nurse hospital job. After this 5 years, you are eligible for PR.
Okay.
Your file is eligible for PR. That is a shortcut and best option for getting a PR.
Exactly.
Right?
Fine.
That is a very best option. Just do German language B2 level, complete your 12th with 60%. There is no issue. Your 12th is in 2015, 2012, 2016.
Yeah,
No
doesn't
issue.
matter.
Yeah, doesn't matter. Now, if you plan for, there is a number of vocational training in Germany. Ausbildung in hotel management, Ausbildung in engineering profile, Ausbildung in every course option. But to all students are not eligible for all Ausbildung. Reason, for all other Ausbildung process, your visa is those students are eligible who are already have an unlimited visa, means of native students of German or PR of students, right? Those students can do all the Ausbildungs there, vocational programs there. But if the students are in Germany having a limited visa like a student visa, so those students can do only Ausbildung in nursing program. They are eligible for that. They fly from there on student visa also, and they fly from there on Ausbildung process also. After reaching Germany, they get the contract from hospital and school. They start their practical and theoretical work. After that, job, and after direct PR.
Okay, so there is a huge process, but it's
Yes.
a easy process and a simple process in which you have to
Yeah.
go get PR.
Exactly. Yes.
And not so much from the starting. That's the best thing which I have heard in this.
Yes.
So
They can start, and 1 month accommodation is also free.
first month, and after
First
that
month.
you will be earning from the first.
After that, yeah. After that, you can get 1,000 euros monthly, and they can easily pay for that accommodation and their food cost.
Great, ma'am. Absolutely. Thank you so much, because so many students have asked me about this. So thank you so much. So, ma'am, I want to ask you one very important question and a detailed question, that how to get your qualification recognized in Germany.
Okay. When you log in file for Germany study visa, your documents are always translated. Right?
Okay.
You study here in English language, and Germany, your all documents are required in German language. First of all, your all documents are translated by recognized authorities. They translate your documents, calculate your points. After that, you are eligible to get the offer letter from universities or any kind of job.
From where basically we have to go and recognize things.
It's a recognized authorities that they have different offices in Germany. If you want the proper name and links, then I can give you the whole detail, and you coordinate with the date and put in the description box.
Sure. Okay, so that's the only point that you can do in this, and you will get it. Is there any point of rejection in this qualifications or recognition?
Actually, there is no rejection kind. They just recognized, they can just calculate your, translate your document, and give you the list which document is pending, that is deficit. If any pendency in your documents according to which your all eligibility can be fulfilled, that pendency you get, and you can fulfill that pendency. After that, you can get a confirmed job offer letter or university offer letter for that process.
Okay. So thank you so much, ma'am, for giving all the answers.
You're welcome.
I hope, guys, this video will be very helpful for you and you liked it. So guys, see you in the next video, and in the next video I am coming up with an internship program for you all who are a beginner or who want to pursue their career in German language. So guys, stay tuned and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, and please do subscribe. Bye bye.